In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset paper trading in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is connect to paper trading. So go to the trade button top right and click on paper trading and then connect. Now, whenever you do this, you want to pull up this bottom row over here. So you want to click on this until like the two arrow shows, and you want to click and drag it up like this. Or of course, you could also click on this button to make it full screen. Then in here, you want to click on this settings button next to your account name. And from here, as you can see, there's the account settings, and you can go to the bottom and click on reset account. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see here, it's going to say that your orders, history, and positions will be deleted, and its balance will be set to a specific value, okay? And you cannot undo this action, so if you're sure you want to do this, you can again select your balance over here, as well as the currency, and select your leverage, stuff like this, and then click on reset, and there we go. It's going to reset your paper trading just like that. As you can see, if I pull this up, my balance is default. I have no history and no nothing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.